Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to learn how to use promo codes in the Temu app. Promo codes are the kind of codes that you receive on your mail or on any other platform, which will give you some discounts or rewards or deals in any order you want to proceed on. So to do this, open the Temu app, then go to your profile section, scroll down until you find coupons and offers, press on it. Now once you get to this screen, you will have your coupon code which you can enter in this box. I am just entering a dummy sample, and if your coupon code is valid and is not expired, then you can press on apply and your coupon code and the discount it entails will be displayed here. Since I have used a dummy code, it shows that this code is invalid, but if you have a real code which is not expired and the time frame is right, you can enter the coupon code and your discounts will be shown here and you can proceed to shop on that manner. In this way, you can use coupon codes on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to drop us a like. Also make sure you have subscribed to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.